for my All Black liveries playlist. So if you check it out, I've got a few videos in there of some of the All Black liveries. Not too many of the Star Alliance. In fact, I'll be filling it up with the arrival and this departure of Star Alliance All Black livery. Genuinely lovely looking aircraft, really nice balance to it. And the cheeky dashes, which unfortunately we're not going to follow. We're just going to follow Star Alliance All Black unique aircraft. I actually had the pleasure of flying on this aircraft. I came back from Japan 2 years ago, and I flew from Japan to New Zealand on the 787, which is NZE, and was pleasantly surprised to find that my trip to Christchurch from Auckland was going to be on this aircraft, the Star Alliance All Black. So I got two All Black aircraft to complete my trip from the sunny shores of Japan and back here to New Zealand. So there's a photo bomb of Monis arriving with the aftermarket scimitars. Each one of those scimitars, the set is $500,000 to get to the to make it a little bit more fuel efficient. So gives it slightly longer range, of course, because the fuel efficiency has been improved. Oh, that's looking lovely. See if I can't take a few thumbnails. That's really looking nice. Track that for a wee while. I'll lose it because we've got a few obstructions in the way, one of which is a flagpole. see it a little bit further.